Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our How To series where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, you can search longswitchacademy.com on your system's browser. So let's begin. Today we will see how to navigate to Suggest a Topic section on our platform. As you can see, this is the home page of our platform. You need to scroll down to our Suggest a Topic section. As you can see, here is our section. If you have a topic that you would like us to cover, you need to click on the Suggest a Topic button and enter your details here. We'll enter the full name here, your email address, and the topic related to which you want us to cover the content. On clicking the Submit Topic button, your requested topic will be submitted. As you can see, there's a thank you message, and the team will look into it and revert back to you soon. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.